your auntie. It's your auntie. How are you? Bernice, how are you? They're watching TV.
How are you?
See Bernice.
Don't feel better now.
See people that were not feeling fine. How are you now? You're watching two parts, watching here and watching here. Okay.
Won't you turn the music up? It goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up 1 time, wind it back once more. Come run, 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 run. Everybody move, run. Let me see you move, run. Rock it to the groove, done. Shake it to the mood because the sun. Everybody in the club and me a run, run. If you ready to move, say it, yeah. 1 time for your mind, say it, yeah, yeah. Well, I'm ready for you, come let me show you. You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move. Come
So this is evening and we are just driving around. How does it feel to drive around in Abuja? Honestly, we don't even know where we're going to. Even I don't know where we're going to. We are just doing some evening strolling. Station, yeah. We're just doing some evening strolling, as you can see. Yeah. Wait. Okay. So yeah. Abuja is sweet, oh. Hey, Abuja is so sweet. So my sister just got a microphone that she has not even used before, but guess what? I'm about to be the first person to use the microphone. First of all, this is the park. This is what is looking like. But let me connect it so that we can see the audio quality. Ta-da! So my sister got a new microphone, and guess what? I am the first person to use this microphone. Abuja is sweet. I'm just rocking every other thing. No time. I hope this hair is okay. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking you guys around. Let's just do like a nice strolling with the microphone. You understand? So yeah, it's connected successfully. This Bluetooth device is connected successfully. So yeah, let's just go on a little stroll. I first of all say let me come and do like a little intro here because this light is giving. Let's go. This microphone costs a whole lot. Oh, light number two. This microphone costs a whole lot, but I'm like, okay, well, let me see, why is it this expensive? So I'll be going. Now there is light. I wish there was no light. I would have said, let me go very close to the generator so that I can hear if the whole noise cancellation thing is okay for the price. And it has like different kind of features. It has the echo part. Let me show you. So now I've put it onto echo. So my voice is supposed to be echoing. It's supposed to be hearing like a bounce of my voice. So let me take you back to the noise cancellation. Okay. So I am just going to take a stroll around. I hope that you guys can see me. It's quite dark because this is night basically, and I actually have not come out alone at night since I came to this Abuja. But yeah, I'm almost close to the music side. I hope that the old song is not entering. So I want to come and dance here. So this is the lights. And I miss you every day. Hey. I feel like I did not dance enough for my wedding day. I was civil and my funny cash and run out, baby, my phone. Let me go outside. You don't forget. Wait to okay, connected. So I I'm outside. Hey, I'm not supposed to be bouncing because the microphone will be bouncing. I'm outside. Ta-da! So I cannot pass this place though because this is nice and I don't want somebody to just snatch this phone or snatch the microphone. You understand that kind of thing? I don't want problem. Oh. So let me just go inside. This is where I can go. This is the farthest I can go. Let me tell you guys something. I actually played the old echo part of the video and I think it's going to be nice for laugh. Like, you know, when you want to laugh this wicked, it's going to echo. Let's try it out. You guys know I like to try out weird things. Let's try it out. Let me be serious. If you want to do opera, say, I'm too playful. If you want to do like this, Nollywood, you know, say, or you want to do opera, Jennifer Hudson. What's her name? Yes, Jennifer Hudson. All right. It's okay, it's okay. But wait. One last time. Good. I hope somebody's not looking at me. Okay. Let me switch to the noise cancellation so that I can talk normal. I mean, I can talk normal. I'm talking normal right now, but there's still that echo. So let's switch. Hi. All right. So thank you. This is the end of my exploration of my sister's new microphone. Woo! Peace out. Peace.